Living in Slidell, Louisiana, means being accustomed to the possibility of severe weather, especially during hurricane season. Located along the Gulf Coast, Slidell is no stranger to high winds, torrential rain, and the damage that comes with powerful storms. As residents, business owners, and property managers, one of the most important considerations for ensuring the safety and longevity of your home or building is investing in hurricane-resistant windows. These windows are not just a luxury, they are a crucial part of safeguarding your property against nature's most unpredictable forces. Protection from strong winds and flying debris. Hurricanes are notorious for their destructive winds, which can reach speeds of up to 150 miles per hour or more. When winds of this magnitude hit an unprotected building, they can easily break windows, allowing the storm's force to enter the property. Once the wind gets inside, it can cause rapid pressure changes, leading to further damage and even structural failure. Hurricane-resistant windows are specifically designed to withstand extreme wind pressure and resist shattering. These windows are built using advanced materials, including laminated glass, which is designed to hold together even when struck by debris. In a hurricane, airborne objects like branches, glass shards, or roofing materials can become deadly projectiles. By installing hurricane-resistant windows, you ensure that these projectiles won't easily penetrate your property, reducing the risk of injury and protecting the interior of your home or business from water damage. Keeping the interior dry. One of the most damaging effects of a hurricane is water infiltration. Once a window shatters, rainwater can pour inside, damaging walls, furniture, electronics, and other valuable items. In areas like Slidell, where heavy rainfall is common during storms, water damage is not just an inconvenience, it can be devastating. Hurricane-resistant windows are designed to minimize the risk of breaking, thereby keeping your property's interior dry and safe from flooding. These windows feature a strong, multi-layer construction that prevents water from seeping through, which is especially vital for protecting electronics, important documents, and furniture from stormwater. Lower insurance costs. In regions like Slidell, where hurricanes are a real threat, home and property insurance premiums can be sky-high. Installing hurricane-resistant windows can significantly reduce the cost of your homeowner's or business insurance policy. Insurers recognize that properties with enhanced storm protection are less likely to sustain significant damage, making them a lower risk. By investing in these windows, you may qualify for discounts on your insurance premiums, making it a financially smart decision in addition to being a protective one. Increased property value. Slidell homeowners and business owners who upgrade their properties with hurricane-resistant windows can also enjoy the added benefit of increased property value. Potential buyers or renters will see the value in having a property that's built to withstand severe weather conditions. Not only will it provide peace of mind during hurricane season, but the windows also enhance the aesthetic appeal of the home or business. Many modern hurricane-resistant windows come in various styles and finishes that complement different architectural designs, allowing you to enhance both the safety and the curb appeal of your property. Peace of mind for you and your family. Perhaps the most important reason to invest in hurricane-resistant windows is the peace of mind they offer. Knowing that your windows are built to withstand hurricane-force winds and debris allows you to focus on other aspects of storm preparation, rather than worrying about the potential for catastrophic window breakage. You'll sleep easier at night, knowing that your property is fortified with a reliable, protective barrier against nature's fury. Conclusion: hurricane-resistant windows are an essential investment for anyone living in or owning property in Slidell. These windows provide protection against strong winds and flying debris, help keep your home dry during heavy rainfall, and can even lower insurance premiums. More than just a safety feature, they can add to the value and aesthetic appeal of your property. In a region that's no stranger to hurricanes, ensuring your property is equipped with the best protection possible is a smart decision that offers both peace of mind and long-term financial benefits.